Well, welcome to week 4 of the One Room Challenge, renovating my parents' spare bathroom. And so I wanted to give you a bit of an update. I haven't given you an update in the last couple of weeks. I think this is week 4 now. And the reason for that is because we had a bit of a stop-start. So we started demoing the bathroom and realized there was some asbestos. So had to basically close everything off, wait for the asbestos people to come in and remove the sheeting behind the tiles on the wall. And once that was done, then we could kind of get back into it. So we demoed everything out. The plumbers have come in and re-plumbed all of the, the brand new toilet, and also re-plumbed for the new shower that's going in. And I thought I would show you where we're at. So as you can see, all of the flooring has now been taken up. You can now see the shower. So this is where the new shower is going to go. That really large bath is now gone. And we've sheeted up to there, we've waterproofed the ground, and as I said, the plumbers come in and plumbed for the toilet and for the new vanity. And then we're going to be using VJ boards up on the ceiling here, so that's all been framed in for, and then also on the walls, give it a nice look of paint. And then finish it up with all of the fixtures and fittings. As you can see, we have been quite busy. We've also been painting the door and getting bits and pieces ready from a decor point of view. So a few hooks, those sorts of things. So stay tuned for the finished product for next week, and I look forward to sharing with you our next update. So as you know, outside of Mum and Dad's bathroom, we're also renovating our own home, and we have been busy framing this week. So I'll give you an update below on what else we've been up to, so you can check that out as well, and I'll share a link to that video. Otherwise, guys, happy renovating, and look forward to seeing you in the next update.